Lesson 1. Lesson 1 name is the rational number. Rational number. We use rational number in all topics. Today we'll study rational number completely. What is the rational number? What is the properties of rational number and how to be add rational number and add properties of rational number. Now we start the study of rational number. So you should learn about rational numbers. Numbers start from 0, 1, 2 and so on. It is called numbers. In those numbers, in between these numbers are also found, and those numbers are called rational number. These numbers also and these who is between in this 0 1 between and between 1 and 2 and between 2 and 3 is all rational number. So if we go with a bit definition, so definition says that a number in the form of a upon b. If suppose that this is a number 3 and this is a number 4, and if we write these number as 3 upon 4, so this is called the rational number. Rational number. So it is very simple that if anything we can write in this form. In this form means one digit upper and one digit down. It is called rational number. So rational numbers means only one thing, that if we can write anyone in a upon b, if any numbers can be written in a upon b form, is always called a rational number. But in this condition, this is also two condition. In this definition also have two condition. What is the condition? First condition that a and b are being integers. If we can write a upon b, then a also integers and b also want to be integer. If these are complete, two digits are integer, then we called it is a rational number. Otherwise I did not call a rational number. Suppose that we took example 3 upon 4 is a rational number because it is in the form of a upon b. 5 upon 2 it is in the form of a upon b, so it is a rational number. Suppose that root 3 upon root 5, it is in the form of a upon b, so it is called a rational number. But when we apply the condition first and check which are integer and which are not integer, so we found that 3 is integer, 4 is integer. Integer means digits. Digits 1 to 0 to infinite, and this side also infinite in negative. Example B also clear here. What is integer? Integer means 0 and 1 is integer, and its middle between, its between numbers are not integer. Only 0 are integer and 1 are integer, and that's example 0 before -1 are also integer, but in this between digits are not integer. Means 0 integer, 1 integer, 1 after next integer is 2, 2 after next integer is 3. So you can understand what is integer. Integer means digits. Digits, otherwise it's plus or minus, otherwise it's 0. So 0 or minus digits and plus digits are called integer. So we back in the topic that 3 is an integer because 3, 2, 3, 2 upon 2 after 3, 3 is an integer. 4 is an integer. So it is completely rational number because its condition of a upon b is followed, and next condition that a and b are being integers, it is also complete. So we can say that 3 upon 4 is a rational number. Rational number. Next we check 5 upon 2. 5 is integer also. 2 is integer. So 5 upon 2 is also a rational number. Next check B these numbers. So you tell me that root 3 is a integer. Then you can understand that root 3 is a not integer because root 3 not come in integers, and root 5 also is not an integer. This is in the form of a b. This is in the form of a upon b. First condition, this is completely okay. But next condition, first condition is being integers, it is not applying. So this is not called rational number. So this is not called rational number. So completely two cheese, 2 points only. First points be clearly write here. First, that rational number means upon in the form of a upon b. Upon form of a upon form of a upon b, and plus it's have two condition. First condition is that a and b are integers. A and b integers. A and b should integers. And second condition is there are rational number only three things. First, it is in the form of a upon b. It can be right in the form of a upon b. And first condition that a and b complete two digits are being integers. And second, that b is not equal to 0. B is not equal to 0 means the next digit means down digits is not being in 0. 0 after 1 to anything but did not 0. So first condition a and b are integers, and second condition b never being 0. If b 0, then it is not a rational number. So you understand this completely. B tell one more times. What is rational number? Rational number means in the form of a upon b, which can be written in the form of upon b, and applies to condition that a and b are integers, and second condition that b is never equal to 0. If b is 0, then this is not a rational number. Suppose that be giving examples to you. Suppose 1 upon 5, it is a rational number. 1 upon 5 in the form of a upon b. 1 and 5 are integers, and 5 is not equal to 0. It is completely a rational number. But when we write this 1 upon 0, it is not a rational number because b is in the 0, so it is not a rational number. So then what is rational number? Rational number means form of a upon b, and a upon b is completely integers and b is not equal to 0. Next we understand a is called numerator and b is called denominator. We can tell a as numerator and b as denominator. It is the definition of rational number. Then we reach out. The next topic is about understanding the addition of rational number. Now we understand the addition of rational number. Addition of rational number. How to be add the rational number? How to be add the rational number? Rational number add is the have two case. Case 1 and case 2. First case and second case. Only have two case means two types of adding method is applying on rational number. First case, second the second case. First case, when denominator is equal. When denominator is equal. If in the rational number denominator is equal, that is very simple to add. Suppose that if denominator is equal 3 upon 4 plus 2 upon 4. Here is the denominator 4 and here is the denominator 4. So two rational number denominator is same. Then denominator, if denominator is same, then b can add only numerator. B can write, if denominator is equal, add numerator. Add numerator only. If denominator is equal, then step 1 add numerator. Then we apply these things. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 and add numerator and write denominator. Write one denominator. So these are two denominator 4 and 4. So we can here write only one denominator 5 upon 4. So clearly only one thing, that if denominator is equal in the addition of rational number or subtraction of, these can apply also subtraction. If the denominator is equal in the addition of rational number, then step 1 add numerator, add the upper digits or numerator and write non-denominator and write the denominator. Very simple. Only add the numerator and write denominator. Next example, I give one example also. Suppose that 16 upon 29 plus 5 upon 29. We can clearly say here that denominator is equal. If the denominator is equal, then we can add this 16 plus 5, 21. 21 upon 29. Because we cannot add denominator. We can only add numerator and write one denominator. You should follow this step. First add numerator 16 plus 25. 16 plus 5, 21. And second write one denominator 29. So we write simply 29. These are case 1 when denominator is equal. And case 2 when denominator is not equal. When denominator is not equal. when denominator is not equal. Then be first step. Denominator in order. Suppose that we take an example. Here example 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 5. We can clearly see here that this rational number is denominator 3 and this rational number denominator is 5. And we can clearly say here that denominator is not equal. If the denominator is not equal, then first step was take LCM of denominator. Take LCM of denominator. So first we get the denominator. We get the LCM of denominator. So denominator is 3 and 5. If we get the LCM of 3 upon 3 and 5. LCM is 3 upon 3, 5. 3 1 ja 3, 5 1 ja 5. So we can clearly say 3 5 ja 15. LCM is 15. So first step, take LCM of denominator. Step 2. Equal the denominator. Equal the denominator by multiplying. So we clearly complete this step by 1 upon 3 multiply 15. We want to get 15, then we multiply by 5 because equal the denominator. So 3 5 ja 15. And so if we multiply in the denominator, then we multiply in the numerator. Plus 2 upon 5 and b here multiply by 3 because the LCM is 15. 5 3 ja 15 plus 3 ja, then 5 1 ja 5 upon 5 3 ja 15, 2 3 ja 6 upon 15. And after this, step third is what? Apply case 1. It means that we do here and this do by case 1. Case 1 is add numerator and write denominator. And then we apply case 1, add the numerator 5 6 11 and write the denominator is 15. So this is the rational number and addition of rational number. In the next class, we will discuss about the properties of addition of rational number.